after graduating from Ross, I was looking at different roles and landed in a brand management role at what was then Del Monte Foods in San Francisco. I thought back to my own experiences, particularly my experience with the MBA admissions process, and realized how much I enjoyed crafting stories. And so I got in touch with mbaMission, and I'm very happy that I did, because I've had a wonderful experience helping candidates tell their stories to their admissions committees of their dream schools. We found with our clients that working with a consultant has really helped them bring out their best selves in their application. A lot of the times the tools are already there, right? They've taken the GMAT, have great work experience, have had some really interesting experiences outside of work as well, but in terms of actually packaging them into a story, in terms of genuinely communicating to the schools, that's where we really come in and can make candidates shine. I think it's important to really be yourself during your application. The schools will know when you're trying to package yourself in a way that they want to hear. It's really important to boil down the essences of your professional experience as well as your personal experiences that have made you who you are. And if you stay true to yourself, and if you make sure, of course, to answer the questions that the school are asking, I think that's going to go a very long way. Really, it's a tough process, and I think it's best balanced with a sense of humor, a sense of perspective. So I'll be somebody who's not only supporting you through your actual application materials, but through the journey itself.